June, the first day of June, and that will be on Tuesday. Same Tuesday next week, you have the examination, but the examination will be morning time. I think that from 9 to 11, 9 to 11. That and the examination will be also, there are different, we have different set for examination for different students. They have to answer the examination. So please, if you share something and you share it with another student, and then it will be you face yourself, you fail yourself, and the others is going to be also failing. That is one of the things which I want to say to you. I will be also during the examination time, at the beginning of the examination time, that means next week on Tuesday, I will be online before the examination by 15 minutes. So if all of you are required to join that time, and then after that I will explain if there is anything related to the examination. During examination also I will be online. If there is any student want to ask question, you can ask, but it is not required from you to be online that time. You can whenever, if you have a question, you can come to the team, and then after that ask. Sometimes maybe I will not be there on team. You have to wait for some time. Just you can send me a message in my email. Maybe I go to pray or some that time. That day there is no prayer that time. Yeah, okay, fine. So there is no prayer, but sometimes maybe I talk with someone, or maybe I move from one place to another. So you need to also send me a message in order to remind me to reply to your message. If you have a message which is for you only, so you can send me a message. That is all what I can say about it. Today what we are going to do is to have a mock examination, and mock examination is just to show you the process of the examination, how you do your examination and so on like that. So what I want you to do is that all of you, I want you to log into Move, and then we will see what is there in Move. I will just here now make this one. If you can't see, please tell me. I'm just making it so you can see my screen or no. You see my screen?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, fine. Okay. So this is also one of the announcements. I put it here very clear for all students to remember that your examination, and if you forgot the exam, you can see it here. The final examination is going scheduled on Tuesday, and June it will be from 9 to 11. That is one of the things. After that, in the final, also during the final examination, this one is not going to be there, and it is not required actually. From today on, I will be removing this one. It will not be there. Maybe there are certain students, they want to go to the link to see the videos, something like that. I will leave it for them until next week. This is a recording only. So the classes here are going to be stopped. There is nothing in that. Here under course assessment, you will find your final examination. The same like last time, you click it, and then after that you go and find the final examination in that. Here, this one is a mock examination now. This is the link for the mock examination. And I think that you see it. Yeah, you can't see it, or you see it now. You see this link?
Yes, Mr.
You see this link?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now If you want to, I want you to click that, and that is a normal way, the same like that one. That means your examination will be here in this place. The other things, like we can put so many things, but we can hide it. Like it is there, but we are hiding it. So anyhow, this is the link here. You click it. You click this link. And after you click it, it will ask you what is your username again. You have to write your username and password. This is for in order to say to you that this is one very important thing is that when you should not give your username to other person to join this. Otherwise, it will be a crime. Okay, so I'm going to log in this one. And after you log in, I'm not sure whether you are what you are seeing there. You see so many things like this, or what you see?
No,
Anyone
nothing.
can tell me?
Nothing.
Huh?
Sir.
What you cannot see anything there?
No. Only this
Really?
general what was writing there?
General
Down.
announcement.
This one you are not seeing? This one?
No.
No.
Okay. So it is actually it is hidden still, or what? This one is the 24 May 26. This one. Click to download this. Why this one is not showing? Okay, you can see it now. I think that. Refresh, just refresh. Yes.
Yes, it is there now.
Okay, so what you have there actually is that you have mock folder. There is a folder. That one is folder. Inside it, there are a number of files. This is one. This one is a link for submission. This is a link for submission. So the time you want to submit, you have to click this one. Come to the same way when the first you have to go to move, and then you click, and then you come to this one. And then after that, you can submit. Submission also, you can submit before the time. If before the time and still you have half an hour, and then after that you want to change something, you can change. There is no problem with that. But you cannot do that one at the end of the exam. Then after that, you might not have time to submit it. That is one of the things which I want to say to you, very important. Yes, it is possible you can submit, but what you submit only one file. No need for submitting more than one file. You submit only one file. If you have a file which is before and you want to delete it, delete that one and then submit the other one, the new one. Don't leave both of them there. So we are going to restrict that one to be only one file. You can submit it. If you click this one, this folder, you will find 3 files. There are 3 files here. One of them is an Excel, which is an Excel file. We can also use it in our, that last time we have an Excel file also. And there is here, this one is the instruction file. And this one is the image which we are going to use it in the examination. All the other things which are the examination, which is a mock exam here, it is already there. Already we did it. This one, I'm not doing anything new. I'm putting the same thing which we have had before. It is actually, this one is the final activity which we have it. And this final activity, because I don't want to give more things to the student, then after that it will be another also confusions. So what I'm saying here is this one, I'm just putting the same thing which is here. The only thing which is new is this one, which is the image. So we are giving you an image which is ready, no need for searching. You have to use that image. If you want to make it for the background, the same, you can use it for logo. That means the image is there. So when you have this one, you have two ways. Either you click here, download, but when you download like this, it will be zip file. It means that it will be compact file. And then after that, extracting it, it will create for you problems. So it is very important. It is better, I advise you to submit, to download file by file. It is better for you to download it file by file. So you download the first one or second one and so on like that. You can download only the first one, and then after that you work on it. Then after that you can download anyhow as you like. So you can download all of them, 3 of them. When you download them, make sure that you know where you download your files, because after that you need to use all of them at the same time. So anyhow, I'm going to download this one because this is just like I'm downloading it, and this is the
Mr.
yes.
Not appear with us.
What?
It does not appear with us. Nothing there.
These files?
No. Nothing there. Only general announcement.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Nothing. And me,
Yes.
I do refresh, but same.
Okay. You see all this one? You cannot see this one?
No, Mr.
Oh my God. What is this? Okay, just a minute.
I log out, then I log it in, and nothing happened.
No problem. No need for. No, it is not logging out, logging in, because there is some restrictions. So this one, what time I put it? 24 May. 24 May is today. Today is 25. Today is 25. So what is happening? So can you refresh please? See and see that? Is it not okay? Still you cannot see? You cannot see that?
Yeah, same problem. Nothing
Same
there.
problem. Same problem. You cannot see anything there.
No.
But this the first one, which is Itab, you see that, yeah? This one.
No, I didn't see anything. Only that you're writing general.
Only general here. General you see, but this one you are not seeing. This one, which is a mock
No, nothing.
exam, you are not seeing it. Why it is this one? Restrictions. This is the main restrictions. What is this? Yes. Anyone? There is someone calling. What happened to this? Can you check that, please? You are hearing me? It's good.
Yes, Mr. Now,
Yes,
okay.
no.
You see that? Okay, fine. It is good. Okay. What is this? There is one is calling me. I don't know. Is this the person is calling me? Activity. Abdullah. Abdullah. Who is this? Abdullah. Itab. This is Nora. Is Nora is there? Nora. Is Nora is there? Hello. Nora is not there. She don't have the link. Hello? Are you hearing me, other students?
Yes, we do.
Yes, Mr. I hear you.
Who said I'm hearing you? Who's this? Is Nora is here or no? Nora is not. Because she is, I think, that calling or something. I don't know. Who is calling? Khamis is there, yes. Okay. So you access all the files there or no, Khamis? Khamis. Oh my God. What happened to you? You access all the files or no? Students. Khamis, today you don't want to talk at all, yeah? You just want to send a message. Okay, no problem, that's okay. As you like.
They're all 3 files you have.
3 files. You download them?
Yeah.
Okay, so all of you download that. Okay. So you want me to answer them again? Only you have to answer. This is the same answer, same questions. You have done it before. You can take your time to do that. If you want me to, anyone have not attended our last class? Anyone here not attended our last class? Want me to repeat what we do? Should we do it together again? Yes. Hello. No one
Yes,
said.
Mr. Do it together while we are here. For revision or any question, maybe someone doesn't understand everything. التكرار يعلم
Okay.
Yeah, maybe somebody is not present last week, but I see the same
Okay.
question.
Okay, fine.
Nothing different.
You are giving them the reason, Ahmed and Khamis, as long as you are attending the class, but the others are not saying even their problems. That is it. That is a problem. They are not saying. So the students who are not attending, they are not even talking. I said to them, if you want, then anyhow I will do it for you, as you said. You are defending the others anyhow. That's good.
No problem. But I hope today you have news.
No, I have nothing to do it again, because if I do new things, then after that it will be another thing. Last time when I gave you so many exercises, you said all these 20 exercises we should do. That is another problem. That will be another problem. Students are, even when you give more, then it will be also another. If you give them only exercise again, the same thing again, then they will see that why it is more. Yeah.
But I hope in the exam, come some question I don't see there in the class or something.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe.
No. Last time you see that there is anything which is not came in the class?
No, Mr.
No. I don't think that it came in the class. All it came in the class.
That's
but it might be, maybe you have a tension that time. Just like that. There is a tension during examination, yes. There is other, like, suppose instead of maybe last time, yes, there is something like you can say, I don't know, maybe you think about it like this way. There is one question when we have if some ifs in class, we are making two criteria. In the examination, it came 3 criteria. Same criteria.
In time exam, you'll be
tension,
tension, everything you have. You'll be stupid that time. You forget everything.
Yeah. You are right, Ahmed. You are right.
It
will be happening all. It will be happening always. Yeah, it will be happening always to all people,
it's
like
normal,
that.
It's normal.
Yeah, it is a normal for all people. Whenever we have when we have examination, we'll be in tension. You know this one. It's happening. It's happening when you have, like, suppose a license exam, no? For taking that. If it's still today, if you are driving a car for 25 years or 30 years, if there is a policy said to you, I want to test you, then again you might fail, no?
Same when you go do some interview.
When you go to interview, you don't know how to talk, no?
No, before you go inside that meeting for interview, you have everything what you want to see. When you go inside, you forget, and your names you forget.
You are right. Even our names we forgot it. We forgot our names, huh? Yeah, you are right. That is a life like that. Anyhow, let us start it, please. So if you want me to answer it, we will have to answer it quickly, and after that we leave. Yeah. And anyone who also and this is also, it will be good for because I have some reference students. They might not attend now, or maybe at any time they come again and see that. That is a very important thing. It is not just because of this. I'm just repeating it for you. I'm repeating for the others also. There are other students also not attended now. Now 28 students out of how many? Out of 36 students. One left now. There is one left. I don't know who is that student who left. Now left. Okay, so let us start. Already you downloaded the test, yeah? You downloaded the 3 files. Okay. Where is it? Where I downloaded it? It is in download. All of you, maybe you downloaded in the download. And I want to put it here outside for me. I don't want there. I want to make it here. Okay. So these are the 3 files. This is the examination. Only small things are going to be added from what you have before. This is the mock exam, and it says that we are going to write here the date and the time and things like that. Here, very important, we said to you, you have to write your student number, make the file which you are going to create, which is the access file. We said to you, use database, MS database access, and save your file as ID, your student ID, Itab, and then exam. Here, this is written as mock. In that one, it is written exam. In order to know what is your file and that is the first thing. So you have to make here like this. You write your student number, then Itab, and then exam. Simply like that. And then after that, you move to the next. Nothing here important. Just maybe we said to you here, you have to submit within the time frame. If you submit it after the time, you will get 0. We are not going to mark it. That is what it happened to certain students. We reject, or maybe the college rejected. Actually, I'm not the person who is rejecting, but the college rejected that the student submitted after the time, and they send me an email what they sent. Then it is rejected from certain students. Actually, that is what is happening. Now what I'm going to say is that the next one here, these are the parts. You can find parts, you can find the files together, you can find 1 file or 2 files together. It is depending. It depends on what we give you there. So here the question here is that you create the MSS access for this part and this part. Anyhow, the first step is to create the database first. Database. Creating database, I said that there are a number of ways to create databases. For me here, because I am putting my database here, I'm putting this one outside. This is my file which is here. I'm putting it here like this. These are the number of files which I have. I want to create it inside the folder which is, I have it here like this. There are certain students, they create it in download. Some students, they create it in maybe C disk, the disk. or any place they want. It is up to you. I'm not going to say to you, but you have to make sure that you know the place of your file, examination file. After that, you should not submit something which is wrong. Yesterday, we gave also one revision or mock examination for students. Then we found that there is one student submitted something which is his assignment. He submitted his an assignment in the mock exam. So it will be like it will be a problem for such a student if we have not discovered that. We saw it, and then after that we say to the student, you submitted your assignment, and when you submitted an assignment in another place, what will happen? See here, he is a student, yes, you study with us. Because if he is a student not to study with us, he cannot submit here. He cannot find this because he have to have a password and in order to find this. Other things also is that what will happen if the student submitted an assignment in our folder, and that assignment is blocked to other module, not to this module. Then what happened to that student? If they have not, we have to ask the network administrator to try to remove his file. And removing his file is not going to be removed from the network administrators here who are inside the college, because any file you submitted, I cannot delete it. I cannot delete that file. And we cannot delete that file at all. So the only way we have to, and even if we delete it, still that file content is going to be there if we have turned it in. So what will happen? The student might be also showing that he has 100% copy. It will be a problem. What we do, the only way, we have to send a message to these people, the company who are responsible for module, and then after that they have to remove that one in order not to be again showing in his that. That is one of the problems. So please make sure that you submit the thing which you want. Don't submit your assignment and then after that it will create for you problems. Anyhow, I'm going to make here this a folder. I'm going to make the file. I want to make it here in this place. For you, you can make it in the place you like. If you want to make it in the outside here, you want to make it in any place you want to make your file, you can right click in that and then make your file. It is possible. Also, there is another way. You can click here from start, and then after that you see there is Microsoft Access. You can create also the file. Anyhow, very easy for me. I'm going to make here new, and then after that access database, and then after, if you want to be new access database, now I'm just making it in the same place. See here what is happening. I write here, click, there is new here, this is new, and then after that there is access database. I click that access database. Okay, then it will come like this, and it will ask me what is the student, what is the access database. So I am going to write my student number. Suppose my student number is 1 2 3 4 7, like that, and then after that I will write Itab, then access, and I want it in a certain place. Like suppose I want it in my folder in the desktop. My folder here is Itab activity or whatever exam, mock exam. This is a mock exam. I have it here like this, and I'm putting it. If you want it in also download only, make it in download only. It is also possible. In the download, you click download and make it. So the name of the file here, and then after that you click here download. So it will be in download, because all your files are going to be in download when you download. And then after that you could say create. Now it is created. The database is created, and there is nothing in the database now. I hope that you see my screen, yeah?
Yes, Mr.
You see my screen? Okay, then fine. Now, after that, we are going to see the question. What is the first question we have? The first question is to create these tables. And data types, we are not going to specify for you data types. You have to think about the data types. What is the data types? You have to put it. So here, this one is the first one is a patient. I'm going to create a new table first. Okay, so I have to create here, create, and then table, which we are normally in table we use table design better. So table design, and then after that I will write the first, which is a patient code. Patient code actually, according to this, it is a text. And then after that we are going to see the next. The next one is a blood type. Blood type, and then paste, and then I'm going to see what is that. Blood type also is a text. Next one is insurance. Insurance here is also text. Text here, paste. And then the last one is the patient name, and I'm putting the patient name is a text. Also is a text. But I have to make one of them as the patient code here is the primary key. And it is here primary key, here is its secondary key. So I'm going to make it here in this place. I have to make key. After that, I will be save the file if the name here is given. Yes, who is this? Why I cannot access this? I want to see where is this student who's calling. Who's calling? How can I know he's a calling student? Who's the caller? Yes. Who is the caller actually? I cannot see who is the caller actually. Yes, Khamis, what do you want to say? No picture?
Now okay, Master, now okay.
No, actually there is one is calling me, so I don't know who is that, the student who's calling. I don't know, there is a call from one student. I don't know who is that student who's calling. This one, there is Azhar. There is one here like this. I don't know whether this, maybe these are the students who want to join. Abdullah Al-Bosaidi. Abdullah is our class. Okay, then I will just make them. Noura, Rawan, and this one Mazin, Sheikha, Khadija, Sultan, Muhammad, who is this one? Suleiman, Abrar, Mu'tasim. Mu'tasim is not in this class. Rawan. Yes. So I want to see whether they are going to join or not. Yes, anyone calling me, please? Just now. Want to join? Anyone joining now? Hello? Is anyone is joining now, please, in order to tell you what you do, what you should do?
Yes, Mr. Me.
Who is this?
Hadil.
Your name?
Hadil, Mr.
Hadil. So open move, and then after that there is a link there under course assessment. Click it, then there are 3 files, you download them. Okay, any other student please other than Hadil? I will show you just now. I will show you. Okay, any other students?
Mr. After we download, what should we do? We solve and send from Move or to the email?
Move, mister. We are going to do it together. You do with us, no? Okay. So what you do is that for those students who join now, I don't know why you are joining very late, please. Okay, so what you do, there is a link, course assessment. You click it. After you click it, you put your password. Then you will see this. You will find this one. This is this one. So you'll find there is here a group of files here, and then after that you have here this one is this is for the files which you have to download. This is for submission. So you click this one, you will find there are 3 files. One is Excel, one is Word, and there is one is image. So download each one, download all of them, and then after that you start opening this one and create a database. Create a database, you know how to create that one. Create a database and name it as we said here. The name is your student number Itab access. And then after that you continue with us, make this table, the first table. Any student who joined us now. This is a question. When you open it, you open X Word file, you move down. This one, it gives you an instruction, say to you, you have to write your student number and name. Yes, I cannot attend the decisions. Why you cannot attend? I am sick. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. That's all. Salam inshallah. What is this? Okay. Okay. See the videos or watch the recordings. Watch the recordings. Okay, so that's it. Okay, those who joined just now, you've created the database. Adil and Ali, you created the database. You know how to create database or no? Hello? Hello? These students are not talking even. Ahmed, are you hearing me?
Yes, Mr. Clear.
So they have to say this. Those who are joining, who joined just now, they have to follow that.
Maybe
Anyhow,
speak.
yeah, okay, fine. So how can they follow?
Yes,
Okay, anyhow, this is the first one. We create this table, and then after that you copy all. Now after you create the table, you have to name the table, name it patient. So I'm going to write the name of the file, which is the name of the table. So after you create it, we are going to make save, and it will ask you about the name of the table. You can write it, patient, and then click OK. Then you need to put the data. Right click, and then after that, data sheet view. Then it will show you the data. What you do, you have to highlight all this.
Mister?
Yes.
Suleiman with you, Suleiman Al-Hashmi.
Yes, Suleiman.
Yeah, I'm on the way now. So if you make any attendance or something, I late 30 minutes only, or 20 minutes as well.
I'm not putting any attendance. It will be taken by the computer. Computer will take that.
Thank you.
No problem. You join after, yeah? Then we are going to highlight this one and then paste. We are pasting this, and save it. You click save. Now you have the file, and this is for the patient. We are going to do the next one. After we finish this one, we go to the next table. The next table is this one. It's your number and then doctor and this. So first is the number. I think that dot is not accepted when you are naming the databases. So we are going to create, then table design. Then the first one is the number. Number is a number or it is a text. Number is a number. Okay, so this number is number. Number is number. So this is a number, and this number we can make it as a primary key. It is not necessarily always the primary key be the first. It is not necessary. It can be any place in the middle, things like that. But because this one there is nothing better than the number, we can make that. So this one, the next one is a doctor, and the doctor name. This is a name, so it will be text, short text. Then the next one is a patient code, and patient code should be similar to the patient code which we have there. It is text. Okay, text. Then we have to save this file now. Save it. So save it, and we name it. This one is a doctor. Right click, save. Then it will ask you write doctor, and then click OK. Then change it to data view, data sheet view, in order to put the data. So here we are going to select this is our data. Then copy, and I will put it here. Right click, I will write here this one, and then paste. And now we finish this. You close it, save and close this. Now we are going to see the next one. Please, if you want to ask or you want to stop me in any place, please you tell me, in order not to, if you feel that there is something you want to stop me, then you can stop me, please. Otherwise, I will be continuing that. There is nothing after this, I think that. Okay, next is to create and display all details of.
But Mr. There you have a relationship.
Okay, relationship. Okay, question. This is the question here. It said to you what relationship. So the relationship is here, and definitely here the relationship is between the patient code here and the patient code here. And the patient code here, sometimes it is repeated. So this one is not the primary, this is a secondary, and it means that if it is repeated, it is not going to be a primary key. At the same time, it will be one to many, because here there is one here and many here. So this is the understanding of that. Now we are going to make a relationship. We have to go to, this one, which is the database tools. And then you click the relationship. And relationship, you need to select the tables. So the first table is doctor, and then second one is the patient. It is up to you. Put this one first, this is second. There is nothing we can do. But we have to see which field is the link. So the field here is a patient, and there is here patient code. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it from here, dragging that one dragging it from there, then you put it here. Dragging it from the patient to the doctor. So I'm just dragging it. And then it will give you patient code in the first table, patient code in the second table, and down here it will give you one to many. Automatically, it will be the computer reads that one because there is one and there is a many in the other place. Then it will give one to many. And we click here enforce relationship and say create. Now it is created. That means there is many here in the doctor, but here less. Yeah, like what does it mean? It means that a doctor, sorry, the patient can go for a number of doctors. Sometimes can be opposite also. Doctor can also have a number of patients. So if it is like that, that will be many in the doctor, sorry, one in the doctor and many in the patient. But here, many in doctors, one patient. Okay, then we close this one, we finish it. We finish this relationship, you save it and then close it. Even if you close it without saving, it will ask you whether you want to save it or not. So that is the first one. The next there is a problem. Sorry, I think that there is a problem in my net, yeah?
Yes, Mr. I think you lose the net.
I lose the connection, yeah, that is okay, fine. So, but I think that I have not done anything. You did the relationship or no? All of you did the relationship?
No,
okay, now we are going to... who have B and plus, B and B plus, B and B plus blood pressure, or, this is or, not and. Okay. So what we are going to do is that, and name it B types. So we are going to create, then query, and query here we are going to use query wizard or query design. Which one we are using? Query design, yeah? You have to use query design. Okay? Better for you, query design. And in query design, then you double click this patient, then patient will come there. Okay, then after what you do is to create so we want all details. All details is star, double click it. But we want the blood type, the type of the blood to be B plus or B and B plus. So I'm going to write here B, and then under that one I will write B plus. And B plus here I need what to make?
Mr. Can we put B star? Does it work?
Yes, it works, yes. It worked fine. But is there is B minus? Mr.
No,
hello.
there is B and
Umud.
No, Mr. B or B plus only.
Okay. What will happen if there is B minus?
You have there AB.
So AB, if you put that one, it will create for you problem. You understood what I'm saying, Hamud?
Yeah.
You put it, you put as you like, put it and then see what we are. We have an answer, you have your answers. Check whether that one, your answer is different or not.
Okay.
Yeah? Check it,
yeah,
check it.
ahead.
And then after that, you come back and see what is happening. So our question, our answer here is giving B and B plus only. And we don't want to see this one, we don't want to say it, yeah? So I'm going to change it again. I have to change this one. I will go to the design because I don't want to show this one again. I want to show only the details. So save it. And this one I'm going to write type B. Okay, so this is the type B. And it will show me only B and B plus. There is nothing. A star is anything which is after it will be created. So that is different, yeah? Is it fine? Hamud?
نعم Mr. Go ahead.
Okay, then fine. Now the next one is we are going to do is that next question is to create a form that can be used to enter the details of patient. You can say details of a patient and both. We are going to do both of them, then you have to put both of them. We have something like that one also in our when we studied. So sometimes if it will be showing both tables there. Oh my God! Again my computer is, or is this one there is?
You have a problem for the network that you don't clear voice. وين راح هذا؟ كأنه طار.
اشرح لنا احمد اشرح لنا.
والله عادي. نعم اشرح لكم. خلوا اذا دخل بطلعه انا بشرح لكم.
اعتقد مسكين يشرح من البيت يمكن من يعني
أيوة
داخل البيت.
ما عنده نت شكله يقطع النت، عنده اشكاليه فيه. لكن تحس شوي الاسئله جايبينهن ملخبطه يعني.
اخبركم ليش نحن بننهيز وحدنا تولين هو يجي بعدين عاد هو يبدا يحل، احنا نشوف وين وصلنا وقارنوا اسئله حلكم فرصه.
يلا زين بالتوفيق.
Are you hearing me, please?
Yes, Mr. Now. I think you have some problem with the internet.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I don't know what happened today. Why is this one? Anyhow, it is good at the end of the semester. If it is happening like that one during the semester, it will be creating problems. Anyhow, I'm sorry for that. So let us see that. So already we have this one. This is the last question which we have done, and then close it. We are going to make the form. This is a question. I hope that you are following now. You see it. You see.
But please sharing the screen, Mr.
Okay, share the screen, because actually I went out and then coming back. Okay, then fine. I'm sharing it. Yes. Number B. Number B, we want to make the form. Form wizard. And in the form we have to select.
Sir, I think you same the problem. You don't have a good internet. Your voice don't clear. Sometimes stop.
Okay, just a minute. Let me change the place, because actually I'm actually far from the net. So that is maybe that is the problem. I am far from the connection. So I will go to another place. Shukran. Okay, then I have to go. I am moving. Sorry. Okay, like this, I think that you can hear me well. No? Ahmed, are you hearing me now?
Yeah, now clear.
Yeah, because actually I was far from the net that time.
Yeah, maybe that.
Yeah, okay, so it will be like disconnecting. Now it is okay. Now, so now what I'm going to do is that.
But can repeat this question first? Go back for this question.
Okay, cancel.
Sorry, Mr. for that.
No problems. That's okay. Okay, no problems. That's okay.
Thank you.
So create a table. Sorry, this one we said to you create a form that for the patient. But sometimes you can use two tables together. So we can say to you create a form or subform is that. That means there are two tables. You can make them three tables. It can be mixed. But here we have only the patient. Here we are using it. We are using only the patient here. This one for that. So what we are going to do is that, and the form it is named PT form, and then after that we are going to make the color which is bold and red color, the titles. The font should be Times New Roman. Sometimes you can say to use the whole, maybe part of the table, you have to change it. But here this is only the table titles, the title of that. So the title we are putting the title and then blue outline, and then these are the things. And we want the background to be according to that. We are going to use the mock examination or exam image in that. So let us do that. We are going to do so. Create, and then after that in create you have to see that the form. These are the form part. Form, it is normally it is better to use design. You click design, and then you select the part which you want. We want patient. If we want to select two tables, it is possible. You select it and remove this one. We are selecting all the fields now, like this. These are the all fields. If you have another table, you can select it like this one And then after that, you can move the fields also of that. But it is not, we have not asked you about other table, like suppose if you want doctors, there is a doctor here, then you can move and then you can use both of them together. But here we said to you only one of them. We are going to see the next. And next here there is a tabular, how you want it. There is so many shapes here. Since we have not said to you anything according to this question, but it doesn't mean that in the examination we can say to you. So you have to remember there are so many shapes here. 4 shapes you can make. Then after that here we want the name of the form. The name of the form is patient PT underscore form. Underscore form. Is Nora is here, please? Nora. Is Nora is here? No? I don't know. She is calling. She is sending message. Okay. Then finish. It will be like this. The form name and it is up. But we said to you design it. So we are going to make also here design. Go to the design view. In the design view, we want to change. We want to change here the format or the size for this. So we click here format. How many? We said in the format we want 25. The font will be 25. Oh my God. So font is 25. And the font type, what is the font type? Font type.
New Times Roman.
Times, I write TIMS. You will find there is a list for that. It should be showing what, no, I'm writing in the different place. Times, okay, Times New Roman, then you'll find it and press enter. Times New Roman, and we said that should be red, bold. If we set you underline, you can make it, and so on like that. Anyhow, if we set you also for this one, you can make. We set also for the borders of these borders. The borders are here on this side. You have here, this is a fill if you want to make the fill. I don't know if there is a fill in that or not. We have not set you any fill, so please remember, we can ask you also about the fill. So I'm going to make it here. There is no fill. Yeah?
Blue outside line.
Blue outside. And even if you want to make it thick, like suppose if there is, we said to you make it thick, or how many like that one, so 6.5, there is 6.10, there is here 6, and so on like that. So the thickness of the line, thickness of the line. So this one, if we make it thick like this, it will be, anyhow, there is no one ask you for thick or not, but you said to you only blue, you can make it blue as it is, that's fine, okay? So this is it. So blue outlines, this is a blue outline for it. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay.
Yes.
And then after that, we want to insert, there is background, and also there is a background, and we want also an logo, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to make the background, you click here, background actually for the form here down, for the whole form. It is not for only this one. We click the form here, and then after that we click background, browse, and you have to remember where your background, this is the background which I have, and I will click it. Now it will show me the background is behind. So the background, you see that one, the background is behind there. Yes.
But Mr. I have one question. Sorry.
Yeah.
When you click the mouse, any place there in the down details, or there in the top when you need to edit this background AMG.
If you want to edit it or you want to change it.
Yeah, if you want to edit it. So we're putting that mouse inside the details.
Yeah, if you want that, actually this one you want it for the form, no? So you click the form. You click the form actually. You click the form here. Then after that it will be for the whole form, the background.
You mean their top? Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Then after that, if you want here the logo will be on the header, no?
Yeah, I know how you're doing the logo, because last time I did this, but maybe there you have some problem for the picture. Is coming back ground, but is coming the half. Don't cover all that format.
Now
but
it's
I think maybe that problem for the size about that picture which I download.
Yeah. It depend on the picture. There are certain pictures are not you can. It's not actually enlarged.
Yeah.
Or sometimes it is like that. So it will be having that problem. Now we are going to say to find also to make the insert. We want to insert the logo. So the logo is in design. You click design and then you will find that. Yeah. Design. Before we have in format, you find that one. This logo will find it here. Logo there, title, whatever like that, it is going to be there. So we can click here logo, and then we can click the logo and we click this logo and we put it. So this is the logo, and the logo normally will be put. It is better for you to put it in one side, in that one side before that. So this is the logo. After that, we need also to insert the date. Date here is up here, date, and it depends on date, which one you want. If you want only the day, if you want the day with total, maybe everything with that one, then it is depending on the day which we set you. So if it is not, there is nothing mentioned, you choose whatever you want. If we set you also format the date, also you can format it, yeah? You can format the date. You can change the color, you can make everything that one is possible, you can make it. Anyhow, that is not, we have not asked you about it now, but anyhow, we gave you how to format, to change the color, how to make the borders, everything you know it. So whenever we ask you in the examination, definitely we are going to ask you, even this one you have to format it. So you have to make sure that you are going to format accordingly what we are going to ask you. But this is the idea. We gave you how to format anything, colors, a font, everything you know how to make it, how to insert the logo, how to insert also the background, and also date, like that. So this is what we can tell you. Now, even if we set you insert a chart, there is a chart, you can't make it, no. Now, save it, please. Save this one. Save the form. Save it. And this is the end of that one. We finish it. So let us see the next question. I hope that you are following. I don't think that now there is a problem. Actually, that time I was just sitting far from my Wi-Fi for certain reason. I have some people in the house then. Now, yes, is it fine now, please?
Yeah, now clear, sir.
Okay, so we are going to see the next one, which is the C. Question number C. Question number C, we said to display the patient name, that means patient name and code and doctor also. Patient name, code, doctors of all patient under Falcon insurance. So we are going to click here this, and then we are going to say create query. Always we are clicking design. And here, because we are having, actually I don't know, because sometimes the computer is showing different. When I'm using the computer in the college, when I click here query, it will give me like I have to select the tables. Here, this one, it is showing me on one side like this. So it depends on your computer. I don't know what, I cannot say to you, you have to, it will be same like what I am having here, but I'm not sure. Are you having this one table and also table and link? Is it on the left side, right side for all of you? Is it?
For me, same that.
Same, okay,
Yeah.
then fine. So you click here, this tables here. And then after that, you select both tables because the question here is about patient name and patient code and the doctor. So we are going to see the patient name. First is the patient name, no? P name. And then patient code. And then the doctor. And we want certain conditions. The condition is related to the insurance. So we are going to click the insurance, but I don't want to see the insurance. We want to see that one for Falcon. We can write Falcon. Capital, small, it depends on what you have there, it will be coming. So capital and small is not going to. There is LLCON. And then after that, you can make run and see that one is it right or wrong. So it will show you all the people who are in Falcon, yeah?
Mr. But there in question, you need descending.
Okay, this is another part of it.
Order the patient code in descending order.
Okay, fine. Is it now descending or ascending? Or it is not order at all?
They don't order, maybe you need to make it.
Okay, so we are going to make this one design here. Sorting according to patient code. So we are going to put the cursor here. If it is according to this, you have to put the cursor according to what you have in there. So according to patient code here. And then after that, we are going to make here descending, yeah? Descending. Is it descending? Yes, descending. And then after that, we are going to run it. So it will be descending according to the patient code. This is why is this one?
Because Mr. You put it, I think, in doctor column.
Really? I make it in the doctor column? Yes, Hamud? Okay, then we are going to make it, no? Okay, so
Yeah.
this one is under the doctor column.
No, we should
Patient codes.
patient code.
It will be under this one, yeah? So it will be here.
Yes.
Yeah, and then after that you can run it. And you see that it is descending. Yeah, it is descending. Then we are going to save it, and the saving here I set you Falcon, yeah, Falcon. So right click save and then Falcon, Falcon. Close. Should I close it now? Other students, they are not with us or what? Humud,
Now, Mr.
what will happen if I'm teaching this class, you and Ahmed, you are not here? What will happen?
Maybe someone else be like us.
I will, no. I will be in a problem, no. I will be facing problem because there is no one.
Maybe some students don't want to talk, but he's be listening for you.
Yeah, okay, then fine. So how can I know?
لأنهم بادين الواجب خلاص يعني ما يحتاج.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So it means that if they are not here, you are going to talk. That's good. Yeah?
So I think,
Fine.
Hamoud, me and you must lift this class now.
No, you should not leave the class. You should not leave. No, you should not leave. But she said a very good thing, actually. She said very good, right things. If you are there, she will not talk. You are talking, then fine. You are then. So it means that I'm not going to face problem as a teacher, because I know that there are students there.
Oh,
that is a
all
very important
students there, he's listening for you, mister. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay, then fine. That's good. That's good. That's what I want to know. That is what I want to know. She said it in the right way. Create a report to display information related to this patient, doctor, from the database. That means we are using the two tables now in the report. It can be in the form also. This one we are using both of them. Information should include the patient code, patient name, name, and then the doctor and the insurance. And the report must be grouped by patient. And sorted ascendingly by doctor. And then we want to title that one as a patient report. So let us go and do that. We are going to see, where is it? It is here. We have to click this. You see my screen now or no? I always have to ask to make sure that you are there. Okay, so create. Yeah. Then report, and what report we are going to use? Wizard. Report wizard. Yeah, the report wizard. Then it will be leading us like that. So we are going to see here, this one, it is giving me query. Do not, sometimes it will be confusing sometimes. So maybe you are just selecting, and this is a query. So I have to make sure that what you are selecting here, we are going to select here the patient. And in patient, we want the patient code, patient name, and we want the insurance. This is what are the three things which we want in the patient. And then after that, we want, in the other one, we want the doctor. From the doctor table, we want the doctor name. And then we'll move it. Then we are going to see the next. Next, we have not set you view it by what. It can be something we can set you view by what. But we set to you group by what? Group by patient. So we want to group it by patient code. Is it patient code or patient name? Is it grouped by patient code or patient name?
Patient code, Mr.
It is grouped by patient code. So we are going to click patient code. So the code will be up. And then next, we are going to make sorting by doctor, by the doctor. What is the type of sorting which you want? We want it to be sorted ascending. It is already ascending by default. If it is descending, you click it, it is a toggle key. When you click it, it will show the opposite. When you click it, then, so this is a toggle key. The next, the name of this, what is the name? The name is patient report. Okay, so, and then here, it is up to you. There is no one said to you how to be, what will be the layout, or how the orientation will be. If there is something, please, you have to do it. It doesn't mean that we have not said it here. It can be in examination. We can set you the orientation. We can set you the layout. You have to do all these things. Very important, please. Okay, next. And then here we are going to write here, this is the patient report. And we click finish. Even this one, we can ask you to format it, to change the format, make the color, make something. But anyhow, this one, you see, this is a patient. There is only one doctor. This patient, only one doctor. Our name and the patient of this one. Then this patient, which is Alia, only one doctor. When we come to this patient, he has how many? There is one patient, three doctors. There are three doctors. So the name of the doctor and then the name of the person. So like this is this one, and it has here three people. So save it and close it. This is finished. We close this one, finished. Then we are going to see the next question, please. Before Maghrib, we want to do something more. So the next one is this, remaining for us all this. Oh my God. Now, the next one is to create a query. Are you following, please?
Yes.
Okay, so before this one, you have to read. This is a question, actually. This is a question. So the question here is said to you, add the table below with one-to-one relationship. When we say one-to-one relationship, that means the primary key is existing both of them. Primary key exists in both of them. In the first and the second, primary key. The same primary key. Okay, so here, this is a primary key. It is here also, this one is a primary key. This one is a reference here is a primary key. Reference here is a primary key. So both of them are primary key, primary key. So let us go and do that one. So from here, we are going to see create. We are going to make the tables. So create, then table design. And we are going to see what is the first one here. Sometimes when you are going to be quiet like this, I say that maybe there is a problem of internet. I have to check it. But I don't think that there is a problem now. Okay, so this one will be short. Why short? Because it is not a number. Actually, it is written E. This is not a number. Then the next one. Payment channels. So I'm going to make it here this. Then payment channel. Payment channel is a text. Then the next one is amount in Omani Riyal, OMR. Paste. This is Omani OMR. This one should be, actually it is written there down number only, but if you find that it is written on it $sign or something, or written Omani Riyal 100, then you have to make the formatting as Omani Riyal and 100. But here it is written Omani Riyal up in the title, but down here we have writing the data as it is. It is a number only. That is the difference. If we write here Omani Riyal like this one, OMR, or we write it actually normally the formula, here we are writing OMR Omani. So AMR like this. OMR like this. Then after that, you need to make sure that you have to make it also currency. The type should be currency. I hope that I think that you are following, you are hearing what I'm saying. Now, so after this, we have to save this, because we don't have more than this. So we are going to make the reference here as a key. This is very important. So we click here key, and then we click here save, and the name of this one, name of the table is payment transaction. So PMTR. Then we are going to change to design to data view. Data sheet. Then we want to copy the data, put it. Okay, so this one is finished. Then we are going to the next one. Next one is customer, date, reference, and so customer, we are going to make it new, create new, then table design. So here this one is a customer, is this date, sometimes it is not going to be accepted. So this one is a date, date and time. Then what we have another, we have reference, the same reference and receipt. REF.
What Mr. Date and time extended you're putting or no?
No need for extended, no. There is a date and time only, no need. No need for that. Extended date, actually, it will be like, it will give you time, it will give you all that, which is not, we are not looking for that. Then the next one is a receipt. And the receipt also is a text. Or it has money? Nothing. Receipt is a number, no? It's the name of the person, no? Is it recipients? Yeah, that is the name of the person who is receiving that. Okay, so we are going to highlight it. Oh my God, the name is name of this, save as or save.
But the key, Mr.
Okay. It is better for me to make the key before doing that, because it will be creating something. Yeah, okay. You are right. Thank you. So save, and then here we are going to make the name of the file, SRD, and then we click OK. And then view data sheet view. Then after that, we are going to select all here from here. And then we copy it. And we are going to put it inside here, point from outside, and then paste. So we finish this. We save it, and we close it. The next one, next question. Next question is
relation, one-to-one relation.
Up here. We have to make the relation, yeah? Have to return up to that place. We have to create the relationship. Okay, so we are going to say database tools, then we create this. And we have the other two tables, which is payment, and we are moving them down here like this. Now we can make the link. So we are going to drag it from here to here. And if because both of them are primary key, so it will going to be 1-to-1. If both of them are primary keys, then it will be to 1-to-1. And if there is one primary, there is another, but they are different. One primary and the other one is foreign, then it will be one-to-many. Okay, so this is the answer for this one, and we finish it. We finish this part, which is for creating and relationship. We can save it. We close it. Relationships, there is no name for it. We are going to see the next question. Create a query to display all amounts and payment channel from payment transaction table involving or containing a word which is Western, and save it as Western. So we want all amounts and payment channel from that. So let us see this. We are going to say create, then query. Then this one will be from the table, which table is PMTR, payment transactions. Then what we want the amount and channel, no? What is the question? We need from you to make the payment and payment channels and the payment table involving Westerns. So here I'm going to say yes, Hamis. Channel involving Western, no? So we are going to write Western. Yes? Ahmad, what do you want? What you said?
But Mr. Why you putting 2 times the what you call
please be okay, break. I will give you a break. Even me, I want that break actually. Okay, so we want all of us, we want a break. Actually, I started from 12.
Why 2 times payment channel?
This one is going to be. This one is going to be. This one, no need for it. You're right, because it is already there, no? So it is already there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to make it here, like this Western here, no? Okay, and then after that we run it. Save. What is the name of this? Western. They said that this is Western. Okay, Western. Okay, so save it, and we can run it and see what is happening. Oh my God, what is happening? Payment channel. It should be payment. The name is what? What is the name of that one?
Can you go back for the question?
Yeah, we need to see the question, yes, because maybe I wrote something which is wrong. Okay, so this one is Western.
There he's writing following or.
Just a minute, Jahazen. Okay, so Western is. Okay, so it is written here. Okay, containing PMT table involving or containing Western. Okay, involving Western. That means it can be Western in the middle, it can be in the last, but containing Western. Where is it? What is the payment table? This is a payment table. This is a payment table here. It contain Western. So it is not the word Western only. It is containing Western. So what we are going to do? What we are going to do in this case? We have to make a star before it, a star after it. It can be at the beginning, it can be in the middle, it can be at the end. It is containing that.
But there no need writing again there because you have or there down. Yeah.
What is it?
Western, you need writing there the down because they see or. The question.
No, or is written down. You are not writing it. You are right. Or is for if you have another one, then you can write it in the or, no?
Okay.
You understand? You need that when it is down, yeah? Yes. So it is like. But Ahmed, if you want that one or without this, so how you write it? You write first with the star, and you leave the other one, and then after that you write before star at the end, then you write it. But still there is a problem. If it will be in the middle, then it will be also you are going to face problem. You understood what I'm saying?
Yeah. So
I thought about what you are saying. If we want only at the beginning or the end, it will be working. But in the middle, how it will work? It will not work, yeah?
That's true.
Okay, fine. So that is data view. So now it is coming. It is Western Union, and then after that, Western Bank, and then here Western Union again. There is nothing which is before. It is all starting. There is no something Western after. What is happening?
No, Mister, that is right. Only 3 Western are there.
Okay, then fine. If there is one Western which is having at the end, also it will be showing that. It should be showing that. We close this one, we close it. And we are going to, we are going to save our file, save it, or it is already saved. Actually, this is the database, it will be saved automatically. Every database, it will be, you save you save the object like table, and then form and so on like that. Automatically it will be saved in the database. It will be saved. So even if now you close it, it will be already saved. So we are going to have a break, please. We will be having a break, and we will be joining after. Half an hour is enough, please.
Yes, Mr. Enough.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so we will take a half an hour. I don't know where is this Noora. Noora is there, please? No? Okay, Musa, yes, Musa is there. Okay. Okay. So how many students attending now with me? 26. So the student I send them, they are not attending still. Also, they are not attending. There is one student says that she is in the hospital. One of the students. So. Okay, so we come after half an hour. We will come at 7 o'clock, please. 7:30. 7:30 we will come back.
Mister?
Is it fine? That is enough, no? Yes, mister?
I think Musa, you talk with you or send some email?
Yeah, there is
some issue.
Yeah, he sent a message. So I will see what is his problem. I'll click that one.
Can you do something for him? Because he see all
I will send him a message.
Yeah.
But at the beginning of the class he was here.
No, Atalano, last week he's there. He reached the class. I see him.
Today also during the class I saw his photo. He's standing, no? He's like he's putting that one of the players, no?
Yeah.
He's
but
putting
try to do something for him.
Okay, I will try to send him the link again. I'll see if there is a problem. I can.
also me, you put up absent to me or no?
No, I am not putting any absent. I'm not putting absent. It will be by the computer. Any student attending, it will be there, and by the computer, I will take it from the computer at the end. Yeah, no problem.
Also, we facing internet problems, connection problems. It come or go, join or back, come cut like this.
Who is this?
Abdullah.
Okay, no problem. There is no problem. As long as you are joining and you are going, we will
again, I try to attend in 10-20 minutes. It's connection. It come. Sometimes I'm not listening or sound it's properly like.
No problem. Then you try to join and do like that. That is the only way. We don't have something on our hand to say that is not under your hand.
But
it's not under my hand.
One thing, you record this section, right? Record.
Yeah, it is recorded. Yes, it is recorded. It is recorded. Yeah. So I'm just now. I will be stopping now, and I will be coming after half an hour. 7:30. I will be joining again. Yeah. Okay. Anyone is joined now because I sent him a message now? Musa is always, I try to send him, but he's leaving. So we have a break until Maghrib. We'll come after that, 7 o'clock, we will come back. عليكم. السلام عليكم. Can we start?
Yes, Mr. Go ahead.
Can we start, gentles? Now?
Yes.
Or not yet?
Please
Yes,
go ahead.
Mr.
Okay. So can we start now? You see what? Sorry for that. I don't know whether okay, so let us see the question in that. How many? 23. There are 3 left of the class. So what is the next question we have to answer, please? Which answer we have to answer now after this?
Big question.
Is Hadil is there? Hadil is there? No. Yarab, Khadija, Abrar, no? Okay. Anyhow, I'm just sending them messages if they want to attend. I hope that you see my screen. You see my screen now? You see it? Ahmed, you see my screen? You see this screen or no?
Yes, Mr. Clear.
Yes, Mr. Now.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. So we finished the report, and then we added the which question we finish? Yeah, we finished the first one, which is for the A. So we are going to start number D, number B. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, number B, display all receipts from SRD table who are engineers, ENGR. Save the query as ENGR. Okay, so we are going to do that. Create, then query design, and we are going to see the table which is SRD, and we want receipts only. Thank you. So we are going to make ENGR. But ENGR, it set you all ENGR. ENGR, it is not only written as ENGR, it is ENGR before and after, and so on like that. So what is happening here in the question? The question here, ENGR. ENGR, there is ENGR at the beginning, there is ENGR at the beginning here. It is all at the beginning. Okay. It set you all. The question is to display tables ENGR who are engineers and save it. So what we do? What we do? Star, no? Star here. And then we can run it. So it will give you 3 people. Is it fine? Save it. Are you hearing me, please? ENGR. What is this? Ahmed, are you hearing?
Yes, Mr. That clear.
Okay, then save it. This is finished. We are going to see the next one. The next one is that create a query to display all payment amount, only payment amount between 500 and 1,500. Save it as query 5K and 15K. It is K here is not right actually. K is for kilo. It should be 3 zeros. By mistake, we wrote it. But anyhow, it is not. That is the name. We are not caring about that. When you have, if we give you any value, like when you go to accounting and you study in accounting, sometimes you write K. K means there are 3 zeros for that. Means thousands. But here is just a name. Don't think about it. We want only 500 and 1,500. You do it as it is like that. So we want amounts of payments, and payments are in PMR, PMT, payment transaction table. So I'm going to open the payment transaction table, or I say create design query, and then after that I have to click the table PMTR, and then here I'm going to click the amounts, and in these amounts we want between 500 and 1,500. And then run it. Oh my computer is going to be disconnected or not? It is disconnected. I mean that it is going to be disconnected now. Something wrong.
Just search for that. Mr. Open the mic. Hello, Mr.
No sound.
Mr. Please open the mic.
مستر هلو غلط صابوته.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Where are you? شال عليه.
What is it?
I call you,
السجن
Mr.
بالشارع.
Open the mic. Open the mic. You only talk. You see only your face.
Yeah, actually, the mic is not so. I cannot hear you, and you
What
cannot
happened
hear.
today, Mr.? What happened today? You have something don't correct.
No, it is
something wrong.
It is in the computer which I have. That is a problem. I don't know what is happening. I have a network today. There is a problem. I don't know what's happening. I paid to these people.
This
what
Hamoud, this problem, Hamoud. أعوذ بالله
now
من الشيطان الرجيم.
see this one. This is Musa. No. Musa is there now. No. Okay. Hi Musa. How are you?
Yes, I'm there. Fine, thank you.
So where are you actually? You are just. We are looking for you from long time. Our network is not working. We said that because Musa, I have, maybe you are from Bahla. I don't know what is happening. So, is it really Bahla people, they can do something? I have a problem in my computer. They can solve it for me?
No, Mister, don't believe everything what you listen.
I just listen to that. Okay.
But I be sure, Hamoud, you have something.
I would have something. Okay, fine. That's good. Okay, let us.
I do have.
Yes, you have.
I wish, Mister. I wish. Otherwise, I would not be here.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let us continue, please, because actually this is the last day, so it will take for a bit. Today I don't know what happened to my computer. If it is not the last day, then it will be really a problem. Okay, so this one, engineer, we finish it. The next number C is already we finished, no? This one, which is for engineer, we finish it, yeah? Hello?
Yeah, but share,
Yes,
share
Mr.
screen.
This is it, no? So we write that, no?
Share the screen, Mr. Share screen.
Oh my God. Even the share screen is stopped. What is this?
Today you have something wrong.
No, actually, when the computer is logging out, it should come to the same place. When there is the internet is disconnected, it is now, it is again, I have to share it. I have to put the mic. I have to put the, all this. What? I don't know what is happening. That's very strange, actually. Now, anyhow, this is it. So this one, what you have, it is going to be like this. It will be 400, 1,400 and 500. This is our answer for our question. How we wrote it down here. I write it here down as this place. So it's this one between 500 and 1,500. That's it. Is it fine? We want only the amounts. Is it fine? Yes. Or you are still writing?
Yes, Mr. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. So we are going to see the next question. The next question is that create a query to get average of the amount from this table and save it as AVAMT. Average of amount. Only we want the average. Without nothing, we just want average. So what we are going to do, you go to data and then create, then query design, and we click the table here and click PMTR and then amount here. Double click it, it will come down. Okay, what we want actually to do, how we do that? We have to click here this summary. You have to click this one first because average you cannot find it, yeah? So what you do, you click this. Now it will give you group. Then you can select from here, the group. From group here, you can select what you want. Yeah? So there are other things. There are other things. Don't say that is only what you have to write. See all this one. Anyone. You can say to use the less number or the big number or the minimum, the maximum. You see this. These are all here in this one is the group. So we want the average, and that's all. We don't want anything after that. And we click run, and this is it will give you the average. Taking all divided by the number. That means it will make the total divided by the number, it will give average. And we save it. So we name it AV amount, the average amount. We close it. Is it fine? Now I am going to see the next one. If it is not fine, you tell me. If it is fine, then let us go to the next one. The next one is that create a query to display all from SRB tables which are neither nor. That means not this and not this. Not and not. Neither nor E0023 and E0052.
Mister, I think you have some problem
Neither.
for the screen. That always see your screen. Don't change.
My screen is not changing. Again, I have to display it again. So you see it now?
1 second.
No, teacher.
No, it's black.
No.
Nothing.
My screen is black.
Yeah.
It is very strange. Is the internet disconnected or not? It might be that the internet for me it is disconnected. Test. Yeah, it is. Internet is there. Wi-Fi is there. Again, I'm going to click this. Not showing? Still?
Not yet.
Only showing your names.
Oh. It show what?
Now black screen.
Okay, I'll take this. What is this one? Okay, like this, you see?
Only your names.
Only your name, Mr.
Only my name?
Yeah. And that
Now,
short
yeah,
name,
we can
MM.
see. Now we can see, Mr.
Yes, now it's the display.
I don't know what is happening. If this
Now
one
it's
is
okay.
integrated.
Sir, now it's okay. Go ahead.
Okay, go
Yeah,
ahead.
we can see
Okay.
now.
Okay, you can see now. That's good. Okay, so I'm just okay. I will just change it to another. So I want to see whether that one is going to be showing or not, because this one is going to be a problem like that. Okay, this is close. I'm closing this. I'm closing everything which is not related. Yeah. Okay. Then you see it. You
Yes,
see
Mr.
this? Okay. Oh my God, I close even my database for that. So I'm closing this also. Maybe there are so many things open, then it is creating that problem. So where is my database? Database. Desktop. Mock. Okay. Okay, so what is the question we are going to do now?
Number E.
Number E. What is in number E? Okay, so we are going to create a query. Okay, to display reference, which is RF from SRD, from here, from SRD, which are never or neither nor E0023 and E0025, and save it as neither nor. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to go to this, and then we create, then design query. We click the table SRD, and in SRD we are going to see reference, which is this one is a reference, and we are going to say what is the criteria? Not like this, not E. We have quotes E dash 0023 quote and not, what is not? Not is this one. Not is greater than and less than, both of them, yeah? Are you hearing me, please?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah.
Okay, so not between two quotes E dash 0025, and then we close the quotes to inverted commas up, and then we can say run, and we will see that it is not showing you any 23, it will not show you any 25. That is the answer for it. Is it fine? This is it, it is here. If you want to see how I wrote it, this is it. I don't know where is this one. How can I enlarge it? There is something which is enlarging that. You have to write okay, not is greater than or less than, and then after that you write it, it will give you that. Then I will write it as neither nor. Is it finished? You finish that one, all of you? Neither, N-E, or. Allow you finish, students. What happened? I am disconnected.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mister. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, fine. So, okay, so this one is finished, which is question number E. Remaining for us the last part. To import the Excel file. And then after that, we want to format it. We can do anything in that. The same, we can use also formatting. We can use also making any other things. So that same, we can make a query on it. So let us do that. We are going to click this and we close this, finish it. We go to external data. That means the data which is going to be from another place. You have a number of places. There is here, this part is for export. Like suppose if you have a table which is like doctor and you want to send it and make it Word, it is possible. If you want to make it Excel, you can make that one also. So it is better, you can send it outside. That is what. There is here, this one is for importing. You can import a number of things, you can import it. So here in this place, there is a source. I think that it depends. This place especially, it will be depending on your computer. It will be different from computer to computer, but anyhow, this one is the import place. So for me, it is here. For you, it might be a little bit different. I don't know, maybe you have the same or not. So I'm just clicking this. Sometimes you will find that inside, in this place, you will find there is import Excel file. Just you click that. So it is in a certain computer, it will be showing that. So it depends on your computer how it displays things. But in all cases, it means that you are importing a source of the data from another thing. We are here using Excel. So I'm clicking here this, and then here file, then I will find this. If it's a database, it is here. If there are other services, you can do something like that. So it is, there are so many things you can make. This is anyhow, we are limited to this part, only Excel, and then we click here, click it, and you will find this screen. This screen, you have to click browse. Now I will see my file is where. I think that most of you, because you download it in the download, you have to click download. Then you will find the file which you want to import it. For me here, it is feedback. This is the feedback. And I will click open. It will come here. Still not open. Then I will say, okay. There are 36 which we set to you. First row contain headings. That means these are the headings. Sometimes the first row only numbers, the same numbers. That means there is no headings. There is no titles up. But anyhow, this is the first one. It has headings. If it has no headings, then the computer will make for you headings. That means it will make titles for them here, number like that. Anyhow, next. The next thing is said to you that when SR, we don't want it. SR, we don't want. So SR, it is already here. If you don't want, suppose this, you can click it. If you don't want this, you don't. The one which you don't want to display, you can click it. And then after that, you click do not import. So if you want also to like this, you can click the first one, do not import. Click the other one, not import. Anyhow, I'm just clicking here this one, SR, and do not import it. That means it will not come. Then we go to the next. In the question here, we said to you, let the access to make for you the primary. But sometimes you are going to say to you, make the primary from the table. So like we can say to you, the primary will be like this or this or this, whatever. So here we said access makes the primary. Access primary, it means normally it will make ID and then it will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then after that we click next. This one we name it feed. This is the feedback. And we click next and then close. So you have it. You have the table will come here in this place. This is the table. Is it fine, please? All of you did it? Hello? Hello?
Yes, okay.
Are you hearing me? Okay, fine. Thank you. So now, so we are going to make the formatting. We said that also we need to make some formatting to it. The formatting is to make it Arial 19 font. If we set to you color, you can make the color also. If you set to you background, you can make a background for it. If you set to fill it, you can fill it in the way, so it will be like that. So let us make that, and it's set to you adjustment. You have to make some adjustment. So the adjustment, let us just first format it. So we are going to make here design, or sorry, we are just making this one like this. And then after that, we go to, so, and then we go here, this one home. I want to just to format these values like this. Or you can go to the first type, and like this one, it will be, if you click home there, then you will see there is a formatting here. You can write, what is that? We set Arial, AR, Arial, this is Arial. How many here? 19, I will write 19 and press enter because there is no 19 there. Then it will be like this. Now this is a problem we want. This is why we want you to adjust it, because it will be too big and you cannot see all. So what you do, in between any two, you double click. And then after that, you can see these two, also double click between them. Okay, so this is, it is now all I can see. I can see it all. So these are the numbers. Sometimes you can say to you, make it 1 decimal or 2 decimals. It is possible you can make that also. So anyhow, this one, save it. This is the first part. After we do that one, and then we close it. We close this table. Let us see what is the next step. Next question. The next question is create a query to display all details of lecturers, column, and module names using math, using resources as a count. Save the query as iMath. So we want lecturer column. We want module name. Is that include this? So we are going to make it. Create, design. Then we have to see the table which is feedback. What we want lecturer. So question here, we want lecturers, the lecturer, all details of lecturers column, and then after that name, the name of modules, and in this name of module we want that contain mass. Is it containing mass? That involving mass. That means mass in any place. It should be displayed. So what we are going to do is Ahmed is there. Khamis, are you there?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, master. Yes, master. With you.
Okay, then fine. So what we write? We write here $sign MATH math and $sign after it. And the computer will make for you the codes because this is one word. If there are two words, the computer will not do it for you. You have to do that. Anyhow, and then after that we can run it. There is another thing, no? Also in the resources, we said that resources. In this resources, what we want? What we want in the resources?
Count, Mr.
We want
As a
count what?
Using resources as count.
Okay, so we are going to make here this one, the cumulative here, this one function, which is summation. Then after that, we say group, and there is count here. And we are going to make it in order to see that one, how the count is looking. It will be counting 1, 2, something like that. What is the name of this query? I cannot change it because already I save it like that. Anyhow, this is it. So it will give you 1. This is only 1. This is only 1, like that.
How you get a count, Mr.?
How I get the count? Okay. This count is from, first you have to click this.
Okay.
And then after that you can find count, sum, all you can find it. Okay. Now, so this one is, we have to save it. Because here I changed and I already saved it with query 1. It will not be changed unless I have to change it from here. I have to close it. And then after that, I will change it from this place. So I will right click, rename. And the name of this one is iMath, I think that. iMath. So I'm just right click, then rename IMATH. The next question. What is the next question we have to answer? Display all names, module names, lecturers, module name and lecturers with SI or ID. ID between 80 and 88. Module name and lecturer value. Okay, so we are going to do here this. Insert, sorry, create. What happened to my computer now? It is not working. Okay, so create design query. We want the table which is feedback. We want module name and then lecturer Is it? Module name and lecturers and ID between. With ID between with ID or SI between 80 and 88.
Because SI already removed.
Yeah, actually, why you are putting these two together like this? Because there are certain students might not remove that, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so if it is like that, then it will be. So here I'm going to use here ID. And here we are going to say between what? Is it what? What is the question actually? The question is between, yeah, between 80 and 88. So I'm going to write between. Between 80 and 88. This one is not required. We set to all this one to be displayed, this one is not. So run it, and then it will give you. These are the modules which you have SI between 80 and 88. Okay, save it. What is the last one after? What is after? 88, SMS 88, MS. The last one, what is the last? The last one is display standard deviation for the standard deviation for the lecturer. Save it as standard deviation for L lecturers. So we are going to create query design. Then we are going to see the feedback table. Double click the lecturer. And then here we need aggregate, which is totals. You click total. Then after that you see there is group, and then you have to group it by what? You group it by standard deviation, STDEV. This is the standard deviation. STDEV is the standard deviation. And then after that, run it and see, yes, this is the standard deviation. Then save it. And the name of this one is STDL. That's it. So we finish it. We finish now. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Mr.
Sir.
Yes.
We finish, no?
yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
now you finish. Then you have to submit, no? You have to submit. So what you do, you have to close this table. You close access. You should check where is your file is. I'm just closing it, and I have to see where is my file. Is it the same? I close it. I close the access. I close access, and then after that I will see where is my file. So here's this one. Actually, my file, I put it here. For you, maybe you put it in this. You put it in desktop. Or you put it in Outlook. You have to see that one. So can we all of us see where is our tables? Check your tables. Is it there?
Yes, sir.
You got your tables? Okay, then open it. See it. Is it right? It is very important to check it, whether it is right. It has all your information which you put it inside it. Why is this one? It came here. This is number here. Where is my? Oh my God, where I put it? I myself, I lost it. No, I lost mine. Ah, this is not here. Okay, I will go there. And I will do it. All of you, you got your file? Hello? You got your database?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
I'm just showing, I'm showing my database. I want to see whether this is my database. I'm just clicking it. Now I will see it. Yes, this is my file. Make sure that you please make sure that you are submitting your file. This is a file and I close, and this is, I know it is here. So what it is where it is in this place. I have two ways to open to submit it also. So my file it is in mock examination, and it is actually in the desktop. It is in the desktop. So I'm going to see, now I'm going to connect to Move. Yeah, you go to Move and then you click the same link which you have there. You go to Move and then you log in for the first time. This is not the right. Okay, so I want you all to submit, no? You should know how to submit, no? Submit your file. If you submit it, then finish. Our class is over. Ahmed and Khamis and Sheikha. Sheikha left or what? Hi Noura, how are you? You are just coming now. What happened?
Mister, I have issue with my internet. I don't know why.
So anyhow, I recorded this. It will take from you a long time to see it, because it is, and you have to see that one. If you want also, tomorrow I have another class with students who are a full-time students. They have a class from 10 to 2. Sorry, to 10 to 12. So if you want to attend with them, if you want that one, you can attend. If you want to see the video, you can see the video. Your attendance is given. There is no problem in the attendance. I'll give you the attendance. Fine.
Okay, Mister.
So means that you have not done anything with us, Nora?
No, I am with you like from the evening, like every time is cutting, going, coming. I don't know today. I think all Oman they have issue with the internet. I don't know exactly.
Oh, thank you very much. So it means that it is not for only me.
No, also with me.
Then fine. So it means that it is something which is generally they have a problem in that. I don't know what is happening to them. This is the first time. And for me, it is going to be a problem if I'm going to teach like this. All my courses is going to be like this. It's not going to be disturbing actually. Anyhow, and that is I finish. I myself finish. Anyhow, after you finish that one, you go to the link. This is the link, mock link. Your examination will be here. This is it. Tomorrow, you will find it. This will be, I will be stopping it. Actually, the day of the examination, it is here what I wrote. On 30, it is not on 30 actually. It is 29. It will be removed. This one will not cheat. This one you are not going to see it. You will see only the examination here in the same place. You will find it.
Teacher,
For me, I will see.
Share your screen. We not see.
Share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing it. I want you to share it. So this is it. So here you have this, the same place. You go to Move. You have the same here like this. In examination, it will be in the same place, but it is not mock. Please, if by mistake you find mock, don't use it. don't put your file in any place. You have to see where is Itab, and then after that, examination, and then go to that. Now we are going to see. This is it. And we have, now you are going to be logged into that. You click this one. You click this. For me, I am not going, because I am the person who is doing it. So for me, it is not going to be, there is no submission. I'm not going to submit. You are going to submit. So you are going to click here like this. For me here, it will show me only the student who submitted. How many students submitted? I will see who are this submitted. Okay, Hamoud is submitted, Ahmed is submitted. Okay, so wish you all the best, Ahmed. Wish you all the best. Our class is over. Please prepared. Our class is over. You did it. You did it right. That's fine.
Teacher, exam timing 1 hour and a half or 2 hours?
2 hours. What do you want? You want 2 hours or you want 1 hour and a half?
2 hours.
Okay, then fine. As you like, I will put it. It is actually the college is putting that. Okay, fine. So submit, please. I want all of you to submit. I want to know how all of you should know how to submit, please. Yes. Now only 2 students submitted. I'm waiting. Submit it even if it is not complete. No problem. This is just a practice. That's a practice, yeah? It is just a practice. Yes, still there are 2 only. Only 2 students submitted.
You want with teacher, you want we submit same file? Which one today we did practice? That one?
Yeah, the practice which we have done, no. Submitted, no. Okay. Just I want you to know how to submit it, no. I'm not going to check it. This is just for you to know how to submit that. Is it. Even if it is not complete, submit it. Submit that. Because I don't want the student saying after that he said, I don't know how to submit. You submit, finish. Okay, so those who submitted, you finish, you go. Our class is over if you submitted. If you haven't submitted, also our class is finished. And also I finish with you. I don't have anything to say to you after this. Okay. It is your responsibility to submit, please.
Mr.
Still only 2. Yes.
Mr. I emailed you yesterday about my attendance. I'm Ali Al-Tawqi. I emailed you.
Who is this?
Ali Al-Tawqi.
What is the percent? Percent how many?
It was 60 something, but I emailed you. I gave you what's my issue.
No,
I just
no problem. Okay, Ali. I know what. Okay, you got your issue. So how many percent you have there? You can remember.
Wait, I checked. But
check it, Ali.
Yesterday it was 60 something, 62.
Yeah. 62. So today we are going to add this. Other things, because you already sent me a message, and I think that you have sick leave, yeah?
Yes.
You have a sick leave, you send me that one. I myself, it is now, actually I'm not entering the attendance. I will send it to our administrator in the college. I'm not in the college now, because all of us, we are not teaching from the college, we are teaching from home, no? So yes. I'm not entering it, but I will send that one to Zainab, and I will send also that one to Zainab, and then she has to inform Surya, telling that Surya what is happening. That's okay. So okay. Please,
I just wanted to make sure
tomorrow. Yeah. End of this week, they will send to you whether you are blocked or not. You ask them, okay? And okay. Also be I will be following with you. There is no problem. You are going to attend. There is no problem.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
No problem. That's okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
I think Musa has same this problem. So
ايوه مستر انا بدايه الاسبوع جاني ايميل اصلا انا عشان ما ندخل اختبار.
What you said, Mr. Musa? You got a mail?
Yeah, Mr.
Okay, but what is the percent? Your percent is how much?
62, something like this.
62, this one. Okay, so can you give a reason? You have to send the reason for that. Anyhow, today I'm going to put for you these 3. But these 3 hours are not going to change that one much, Musa. But if you have any reason for that one, you can write it. Write anything for that one to be added, because this will be increasing your attendance today. It will be like 3 hours is going to be added, but still you have to write the reason, send it to me, and send it to Mr. Surya. Okay, Surya and me, even the one who said to me, Ali, also you need to send both of them to me and Surya, please. Surya is the one who is going to be because all attendance is by Surya is going to check that one. The person who sent to you blocking is Surya, not me. Yeah, so Surya is that, so he's responsible for that one, and I will be following with you. I'll be following that one with you. Also, Musa, if you have any, you can give any reason for that one. Say whatever. Say something. Say something. Just write something. Yeah, Musa.
Inshallah.
But Mr.
Yeah.
Musa, he
write it. Send it.
Musa, he
Yes.
see last 3 class, 2 class or 3 class, he attend. But I think there he's don't updating for his attending. Last week and before that week. Because Musa yesterday he's called me speak about this issue.
But last week, but last week, last week he was not. He attended last week.
He showed me that he's attending. There he writing for him. I think all the student 39 hours. I think, but he's there. All he's writing for him 33 hours.
33 hours.
Yeah, that meaning he's two class that is don't updating there in the.
No, it is not because of not updating. Because Musa sometimes he was not attending, and then after that I am putting for him excuse. When it is showing excuse, it will not be counted. I am giving him excuse. So excuse is not going to be counted. If we put him absent, then his attendance will be very less, very less. So I am putting for him excuse. So the excuse is not going to increase the number of hours. Like suppose you are studying 39 hours, is studying 33 hours. So it means that there are 2 weeks, two weeks are excused. These 2 weeks are excused. What is happening is that it is not going to be, it is good for him because we are dividing by 33. We are not dividing by 39. If we divide by 39, it will be very less. That is why. You understood what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understood. So you can, but you can try and do something for
him. But he can send a message and say that one today he is going to be increased actually, because now he will be 36 and we are going to divide by 36 and dividing by 36 and then it will be increased, like suppose 2 or 3 or maybe near to that. Let him send a message to Surya. Says that I have a problem in internet. I am living in certain places. Sometimes I cannot, or maybe there is something, or whatever. Write something. Say anything that's one. Write it to Surya. I will also discuss with Surya about that. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll discuss with Surya. Yeah. So no, don't worry. It will be solved. It will be solved, inshallah.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So finish. Our class is over. Wish you all the best, please. Musa, you have to be careful. Please send that one, yeah? Send it, please. Yes, Hamoud, you want to say something?
Okay, Mr.
Yeah. I want to, take you back to the report because so when I came to make sorted, it doesn't show me the patient code there to choose it.
Because you don't have a patient, you are not making the patient code. You are not selecting the patient code, Hamoud. Okay, then anyhow, I will come to that one. Let us see that one. Where is it? No problem. That's okay.
Okay. It is in the first question, Mister.
First question. Okay, then fine. We are going to see what is the question actually.
Yeah.
Okay, others you are not submitting actually. What are the others are not submitting? Why they are not submitting now?
Teacher, you can show where I go to submit.
You go to see here, this one. See here, where is the you go to first? You have to go to move.
Okay.
In move, this one. You see this? You see my screen or no? You don't see?
Yes.
This one. This is the link. This is the same in examination. This is a place where you enter and where you also submit. It's the same. You have to click this. Click it. What after that? When you click it, what will happen?
1 minute. So I go there. 1 minute.
Yeah, go to move and then do that. Sorry, Mahmoud, I have to stop you for some time.
It's okay. Take your time.
Yes.
One minute, teacher. My laptop is stuck.
No problems. That's okay. Okay. So when you open it, tell me. Yeah, I will continue with Hamoud. So Hamoud, what you do is this one. This is it. Let us see the questions. The question is about reports. This report, no?
Yeah. This C number D. Yeah. Last. Yeah. No.
Down. The report here, not the form. This report. Yeah. So the report, what we need from that one is the report. We need the doctor. We need actually all information related to patient and doctor. That means all things which are related to patient and doctor, all things we need from the database. And the information should be included in patient. We have to include patient code, patient name, and doctor, and then after that we have to make insurance. So what we are going to do, we go to here like this. We go to create the report wizard.
Yes.
Then here you have to select first. You have to select the table. You should not select the query. Which table? We have to select the patient table.
Patient table. Okay.
Patient table. What we want the code.
The code.
And patient name.
Mm-hmm.
And then insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Blood, we have not asked you about it.
No.
Then after that, we are going to see the doctor table. It is written table, then doctor.
Yeah.
Then you have to select the doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, you go to next.
Okay.
And in next, you have to go again. There is next. We have not asked you about how to be viewed.
Okay.
This one. This is about how to be viewed. We have not said to you. If we said to you, then you put it. Then after that, we said to you, do
grouping.
Yeah, grouping. The grouping, we wanted grouping by patient code.
Patient code.
You click that, then it will be patient code up.
Okay.
Then after that, next.
Next.
Okay, then after that, you see here this place, you click.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry. Then after that, you have to click doctor, yeah?
No, they said sorted by.
Sorted by doctor.
Sorted by doctor.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, then fine. Ascending or descending, they said?
Ascending.
Okay, then ascending, you leave it. If it is descending, you click it again, it will be changing. This one is changing. Descending, ascending, descending, ascending, like that. Okay? Then next, and that is it. So you're going to find it, yeah? And you write here, what is that? The name of the form. It is patient form or PT form. You write that, yeah? Write the name of the form. Write the form. This is a report actually, patient report. I think that you have to write it as is said there. So you put it. That is the answer for your question. Okay. No thanks for duty. Okay. Then who is that? The student who said to me, I want to submit. Yeah.
Me, teacher, I got as trying to comment. I get now where
you already submitted.
1 minute now.
Okay, so I will see whether you submitted or no. I will check whether you submitted or no. So if I hear say refresh, there is Bayan, and there is Hamoud, Ahmad, and then Abdullah al-Bulushi. These are the. Oh,
yes,
who is this?
I already submitted. Teacher, you can check.
Who is this one? Who is Abdullah?
I got all some mail. I submit one file, revision file, before I did that one. Not
who is this one? Who is this? Abdullah? Abdullah. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Abdullah. Now I will tell you. You submitted the wrong file.
I submitted wrong.
Yeah, you have not submitted the data file. You are submitting the Excel file.
Yeah. I submit Excel file, but data file I would try to do, but internet is slow. I don't. I know, but same way, right?
Okay, the same way. So please.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Only I submit the Excel file, right? The same way.
Not the Excel access file.
Okay.
Access file. Access. And access is always like you it look like, see here, what is the shape here? The look it is showing here, the shape is different.
Let's I do again. Again.
You have an access file, the file which you created actually, where we make a table and this, that is access.
Let's I do again. One minute, teacher.
Yeah, do it. This one you can delete it. The one which you see here, you did this one. When you come to this place, you can click it, and it will ask you want to delete it. You say, okay, I delete it. And then you put the other one. Go to the same place, click this one. Then it will ask you to delete. You say delete it. And then do the other one, yes?
I'm doing edit now because the internet is slow. They coming rounding is not opening.
No problem. I'm just waiting for you sometime. There's no problem. Just do it. Do it. I'm not checking actually. I'm not checking this, but I want all of you to submit it. Like suppose now you know what is happening. If you have a problem like this, you have to submit. No. Yes, Abdullah, do it.
Teacher, you can check now. I did it come.
Okay, I will see that now. Yeah, but you can delete this. You can delete the Excel file, click it, and then it will ask you delete it. The Excel file, delete it. Yeah, Abdullah.
Okay, how to delete, teacher? I got the same place.
Go to the same place and click that file. Then after that, it will ask you want to delete. There is a delete there. You can click delete. Yes.
Okay. Let's I do. Where teacher daytime that the same place, which one you telling? I'm putting same case.
Yeah, the same place. You have two files there, no?
Yeah.
Okay, then click that one. You click it, delete.
Not come delete option, teacher.
No, you click it. Then when you click it, it will come up. There is a place. It will say to you delete.
Where? In up where? No mention there delete, teacher. It's a copy open like this coming.
It is copy and open only?
Yes, not option to delete. Anyway, no problem, teacher. Now I know how to submit.
Okay, then okay, fine. That's okay. That's good.
Okay.
Anyhow, even if you are putting both of them, then we are going to correct only the other one. But don't to make like that. It will waste your time, and sometimes maybe you are going to be confused. Put only the access file, yeah.
Right. Now also I activities 4 also I did. No, I submitted. Not that one. No,
no problem. No problem. Just you go and study that one. You have 1 week. Still for you 1 week. Study that one well and then prepare for that one. That is the only thing which we want you to do. Yeah.
Inshallah. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
No problem. That's okay.
Thank you for your support. Thank you.
No problem. That's okay. Assalamu alaikum, inshallah. Salam. Okay. Any other student have a question, please? Or should I stop, please? Yes. Ahmad. And who is that? Hadia. Hadia, you have any question? Abrar, your telephone, you are still catching your telephone on your face? Yes? Okay, anyhow, I'm closing, please. If you don't have any question, I'm closing it. And time is over. Abrar and Ahmad, Abdullah Al-Hadrami, and then Hadia. Please see my recordings. Check the recordings and it will give you all the information required. Okay, I'm going to leave the class now. Just I will be downloading the attendance for all students. Here, where is it?